Mr. Humble Hippie here in search of lost gold mines. This is my gold claims, gold mining, gold panning, sluicing series. We're hiking in the extreme wilderness on public, possibly BLM lands, bordering other people's properties, and gold claims. And they are the most dangerous thing out here, besides just falling down cliffs and falling rocks and bears and mountain lions. One of your bigger threats is actually miners themselves. You do not want to stumble across what somebody else thinks is theirs, whether it is or not. The middle of the wilderness is not the place to argue. Not much of a footbridge there. Supposed to be a mine around here somewhere, probably from over 50 years ago. So I'm actually walking up a caterpillar trail right now, which is like a tractor logging trail, which this may or may not have already, I just don't know. Remember, anytime you're hiking off trail or after 3 o'clock, for sure your life is in danger. And don't follow deer paths and trails because you're not a deer or a goat and you will fall and die.